Welcome back to Smoke and Grill with Will. Tonight we're making a pepperoni pizza and breadsticks. You'll start by adding 1 cup of all-purpose or pizza flour to a bowl or food processor. Then you'll add 1 packet of instant yeast. Next you'll add 1½ teaspoons of sugar. Half a teaspoon of salt. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Two tablespoons of oil of your choice. Here I'm using avocado oil. Then add 3/4 of a cup of warm water. Mix until combined. Add 1 1/3 cups of flour. Mix until dough is cohesive and sticky, then form into a ball and place into a bowl to rest for 30 minutes. Split dough in half and roll into 2 12-inch circles. In a separate bowl, add an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce and a 6-ounce can of tomato paste, along with 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of basil, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and mix together. Spread your desired amount of sauce onto one of the pizza crusts evenly. Top with as many pepperonis as you want. Here I went with 20 because it was what I could fit on the pizza. Top with 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese. Bake at 425 degrees for 13 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. For the second pizza crust for the breadsticks, you'll top it with a tablespoon of Italian dressing, spread that evenly across the crust, and then sprinkle on garlic powder. I used about 1/4 of a teaspoon, then topped with the remaining cheese or another 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. Here's what the pizza looks like after 15 minutes. Here's the breadsticks after they bake for 15 minutes. Alright, we'll give the pizza a try, and as you can see from my reaction, it's good. Please like and subscribe.